On February 7, 2022, Monroe County deputies responded to a security checkpoint after a handgun was discovered inside luggage at Key West International Airport. A black backpack had entered the screening X-ray and appeared to show a handgun inside with a magazine inserted. The owner of the backpack was identified as 37-year-old Andrew Day.
I didn't know if you heard or if you were there. Oh, I didn't hear you. Do you have some in that bag or show up? No, no. Do you have something in that bag?
Oh, probably not. If it is, it's in the front pocket. Yeah.
This one?
It was a black Glock 48 9mm handgun with 10 rounds inserted and nothing in the chamber. He admitted to not having a concealed carry permit and that he may have forgotten to remove it from his backpack.
And you're ready. Do you have a CCW?
Say again?
Do you have a CCW?
I do not.
Uh-oh. Hello.
Hey, need you to come back.
Okay.
Forgot to take my pistol out of my backpack.
Oh, okay, shit. Alright, come on. Alright, I'm on the way.
I'm going to be honest with you, you without having a concealed weapons permit, and you having this in this bag?
Yeah, that does not look good at all.
Well, it's not.
Thanks for 11.
Agree. So hilarious is I jumped in there, I was putting my stuff in there, getting ready to go, I just got dropped the kids off at the house.
Yeah.
I pulled out I remembered to pull out my multi-tool, my Leatherman, which is usually what gets
What did she say to you? Sergeant? She says, because you asked about your CCW?
I'm not sure what exactly followed after that.
Sure. I'm not the one I
Kind
know.
of soaking in the embarrassment. Yeah, that doesn't make it a whole lot better. Maybe I have a friend that's done this.
Did you have the weapon previously somewhere in your bag, or?
Yeah, I've had it in there since we've been on a trip to Orlando this weekend, and I had it in the bag, in the truck in the car, and I take it back to work. Having gone through that.
Why have you never 9mm? 9mm? It's a 9mm?
I did try to go get one, and they said because of a theft of property under $300 in Alabama over 13 years ago that they couldn't get in touch with. They didn't even try to get in touch with Lee County to actually get the documents for it. They said that they couldn't tell if it wasn't a felony or not.
10. 10, nothing in the chamber. She's calling them. You know, it depends on what they say.
Okay.
Do you have any check bags?
No, sir.
Yes.
I ran here, yes. Did not run this yet. That's why I was going to talk to you right back. I'm not going to treat you like that.
Hey. Okay, just wondering for a second how much probably got in the morning.
That's not do that. That's not good. I'm not doing that. It's an unfortunate situation, but that'll be on it.
Yeah, I understand about my knowledge.
No, I don't listen to it. I'm sure I'll be able to That is clear. That's clear. It's clear. I'm not talking about it because I can change the code. I'm not saying I'm just taking the unnecessarily. It's a no-no, but unfortunately it becomes a his wife's out there with kids, so I'm going to take these out there to his wife. Text you the contact number so if you know.
Okay. Oh, that'd be perfect. Yeah, I'm sure it's, yeah, sure I'll be able to find it.
You said a gray?
A gray Jeep
It's
Wrangler.
right here. That sucks. We gotta get that figured out. We gotta get that cleared so that you can get your 60 or something.
Yeah, this thing is all year round.
Yeah, I thought it was a joke at first. It's like, because we had to do that, and we searched, and it was a plastic one, or one was a lighter or something, you know, it's like, and I'm like, oh, this is not a lighter.
No, that's not a lighter.
Definitely not a lighter.
On your cognizance, whether it's going to be bail. I've told her to give her the number so she can call and get all the information she needs. Second of all, you're going to have to deal with the SA on that. You're going to be getting nasty grants from them, probably a fine, and the whole 9 yards. Okay?
Yep.
All right, unfortunately, ma'am. All yours.
Hey, Mom, you got anything in your pockets at all?
My back, my wallet, my phone in my pocket.
That's all right. We'll let you keep that stuff in your pockets. As long as you don't have any knives or anything, you left that knife at home, okay?
Right.
All right.
Turn it off. First of all, we could give it to the detention deputies in there. That was how to charge you out.
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to...
Yeah, no, I said go ahead, you go ahead, you're okay.
You,
Pinch your Dutch bracelet, you got on there. No, I'm good. I'll come in early in the morning. I'll come in.
you tell me.
I'm good.
Change your
I'm
mind.
good. Yeah, I'm good.
Good luck.
Appreciate it.
Hey,
I mean, it's freaking stupid.
I know.
Is there any way you could put in a good word for trying not to blast this all over Facebook? I know it's going to be public information, but...
Unfortunately, I guarantee you it's going to go to the PIO.
Mhm.
Anything that happens in here goes to
Of
the
course,
PIO. So
yeah.
unfortunately, I wish I could help you.
No worries, that's what it is.
It is what it is. You have a business or something? Is that,
What's up?
Do you have a business here in town?
Well, I mean, I work here, but I don't have it. I just, you know...
Maybe I can make sure that was left out or something. I won't put any of that information, is what I'm trying to
Yeah, I
get
mean,
at. I can't-
as soon as the name comes up, it'll...
I can be discreet on certain things, but unfortunately.
you can just say...
Not about the name, but that's about it.
A suspect, yeah.
A suspect.
A suspect.
All right.
All right, thank you.
All right, sir, take care.
I gotta do that. I gotta turn this way. Yeah. Hang on. Over here.
You get to go home!
You do? Not us. Get in the car. I thought I could move some of this stuff in the back seat. I got the back seat in the back seat. The very first car up there. You're like, I don't know which car to go to. I'm like, I just assume you know which
Just
one's
like Ubers, and you got the key number for all of them?
You gotta keep it on. The last thing you thought was gonna happen, right?
Yeah, I had a long list of things that could happen and go wrong. So.
Just fix the car for me. Run away. No running away.
Not big on cardio.
Me either. Hold on. Let's go back here. Put it in the back. Here you go.
You got it?
Put it in the back. Touch it. It's a little bit bigger than a car, at least.
Yeah.
Andrew was charged with felony third-degree carrying a concealed firearm unlicensed. His charge was later amended to misdemeanor second-degree, and he entered the plea of no contest. Andrew was ultimately sentenced to 6 months probation, $313 of fees, 50 hours of community service, and a firearm safety course. Do you enjoy our content?
You good. Put your hand. Relax this arm. You can put it behind your back, okay?
You going?
521, have a subject 1050, he's in custody. Can you back him up a little bit?
Yeah. You're good. Sit down.
Oh, you can sit down. Go on, is this?
You're good. Todd, you been drinking today?
Yep. My leg's bleeding.
Okay. Did you dump at 134 or what? What hurts? What hurts?
My left leg.
Your left leg?
You know what I mean? I got a new...
Might as well get EMS. Look at his leg.
My ankle on my leg.
All right, we'll get it checked out. You got any weapons on you, Todd?
No. Need a little jackknife.
Where's that at? Pocket?
Yep.
All right. Where's your leg hurt?
I will go over.
Which way?
Down.
This way? On your back? I'll roll you all the way this way. Is that better?
I need to keep going. Yep.
What leg hurts you, Todd?
He said his left.
His left?
Right here.
So this leg at the ankle?
Down.
How far down? Right there?
Go.
All right, we got EMS come look at you.
What is this?
And my right ankle.
Your right ankle hurts too?
Okay, we got EMS coming to look at you.
Should be pocket there somewhere.
Small one.
You want to sit up? Would that help you?
No.
You want to stay laying down?
Yeah. Why can't I move them?
Move what?
My leg.
I don't know.
EMS coming to look at you.
No, I can't move them.
What's that?
What do you think?
Yeah, because it's going to be a pretty high number. Go down.
Hey, Paul. You cold, Todd?
No, it hurt.
Huh? You hurt?
Just your leg? Okay.
No.
All right, we got EMS coming to check on it.
Jump on it.
Let's see if you can jump on. Stood up. It's leaking gas.
Yeah, well, I used to leave it with it. Where do you want to go? Right over here?
Yeah, we can. Oh, well. Just set it up. Put kickstand down.
It's down.
Go over onto the blanket here so your butt's not on the ground. And then you can just either lay down again on your back, pick one. We're just going to have you lay there until the ambulance gets done and we'll fix the handcuffs. We're going to put them on in the front.
No.
All right, here. Stay right there. Hold on. Don't move anywhere. Move your handle. I'm going to pull this blanket up. All right.
Hey,
Lay right back.
lay right on your back.
Right on your back.
We got a blanket on the ground.
There you go. Stay right there. Yep. Put your head right down. There's a blanket right underneath your head. Put your head down. There. That's the best place for you.
We didn't miss anything. You don't have any more weapons, right?
No. Like that.
How much you had to drink today, Todd?
A lot.
A lot? Okay. I can smell it on you.
And that's why I say a lot.
Okay.
I quit for 50.
Well, we had that bottle of Fireball on you. Did you drink anything else besides that today?
Coors Light.
Coors Light, how much?
A lot.
A lot? You think you're over the legal limit?
Well, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Otherwise, you probably wouldn't have taken off on
I'm
us.
drunk as hell.
You're drunk as hell? I hear you. Okay.
If I was sober, I would have been my license plates up and you never would have called me.
You're gonna ride a motorcycle.
Especially this
I'm
day.
drunk. I'm totally drunk. I'm driving on sand. I got the fastest motorcycle in Juneau County, and I'm drunk. I should have wiped out a long time ago on the sand, but I know how to ride.
You didn't lay her down before?
Yep.
Today you did?
Yeah.
You laid it down today?
On ice.
Yeah. Is that how you hurt your leg?
No, I just ice race. No.
Oh, okay. How come you didn't stop when I tried to pull you over between Lisbon and Hustler?
By McCullough's? McCullough?
Yeah.
The building. My hip. I did. I turned around and stopped, and then I took off.
Yeah, why'd you do that? You knew I was right behind you. You looked right at me and waved.
Yeah, I know. I said, well, you know who I am. Just let me go home.
Well, then you didn't even go home, did you?
You scared me.
I scared you, okay.
No, when I see red lights, I gotta go.
You gotta go, huh?
Yeah, I did that since I was 14.
Okay.
Jerry Bond will tell you that.
I don't even know who that is. That's probably well before my time.
Anymore. Jerry's no longer a
Yeah, I know. I mow his lawn all the time.
Hey, Todd.
You're my neighbor.
Hey, Todd.
I gotta lay this way.
Okay, I'll come over.
Is that where it's comfortable for you the most?
I don't know, yeah, thanks.
Todd, I understand. What's that? I understand your leg's a little messed up right now and you can't walk or do a couple tests, but I want to put you through field sobriety tests.
I'm drunk. I'm totally drunk. I'll sign the paper. I don't want to blow nothing. I cannot walk. I cannot do nothing.
So-
I'm drunk. I'm way over the limit.
Okay, so you
That's all
don't,
I got to say.
you don't want to take the test then, is what you're telling me?
What kind of a test?
Well, I would check your eyes and everything, but with... Yeah, well, you were like... Just a second. I didn't know where to go.
When you went by,
Oh, he's a new guy who wants to be a big guy.
What's that?
Is he a new guy who wants to be a big guy? He can get emotion.
Oh, no.
Get a promotion, asking me all these dumb questions.
We gotta ask those for everybody, man.
Oh, you're not like that.
Yeah.
I already told him.
Well, no, but you still gotta go through the paces and the process. You can't half-ass it, you know. What's your bait, Brett?
Stop. Now he wants to draw blood.
Now,
I can't move this leg.
Okay.
But he cannot move it.
You need me to help you get comfortable, or are you good right there? Are you most comfortable laying like that, or do we need to help you adjust?
I'm gonna stay like this.
Okay. You want me to
For now.
cover you up a little bit with the blanket? What?
who's the ambulance coming from? Elway, right?
Should be.
What do you want? Do we have an ETA on the ambulance?
This is the very edge of the district. The switch is right here.
About 6 minutes ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, you're on the complete
Copy, is that
opposite end.
Elway or New Lisbon first responders?
They're here.
Oh, disregard, I hear him.
Copy.
Oh.
Tom, do you want to maybe move your truck? We'll just stop out to the hospital and talk to you, okay?
That's enough questions. I'm done talking to you. I already told you I'm totally drunk.
Okay.
And you want to go to the hospital, give me a blood test, right?
Yeah.
All right. I know the procedure.
Good
And
enough
you
for
want to
me.
look for what? What do you want to look for?
Just alcohol. So they're here, so we'll get you a
It's
medical.
alcohol. Why not drugs?
Because I don't, for OWI, Todd, I mean, I obviously got alcohol on board, and I don't care if there's drugs on board. But we gotta get you looked at first.
Keep talking because I want to get my mind off this. It hurt.
Yeah, they're here to help you.
You don't know how bad it hurt them. I can take pain, but not like this.
Hi. So,
Hi.
what happened?
Get a
Get
helmet
on
on.
my bike.
You fell off your bike?
No.
Where do you have the most pain? Is it just your ankle or is
I'm
it
right
your
here
leg?
down.
Like I promised, I'd come see you at
Move
the...
that leg.
Huh?
Can't move my leg.
Yeah, they're going to get you looked at and take good care of you. I'm certain of that. But I'm sure you've been through this before, but I have to read you this form word for word, okay?
All right.
You've been under arrest, or you've either been arrested for an offense of false driving, or you're operating. Can we submit to a blood test, an evidentiary chemical test of your blood? You will, Todd?
I told you. I'm way over the limit.
Okay, but
Come on.
will you?
I heard. I don't care.
Yeah, as soon as the
Take it.
will you submit to a blood test, Todd? Is that all right?
Only let me blow in this one.
I don't have that. We got to do blood out here, dude.
I don't do needles, dude.
But we're gonna have to.
All right.
Is that a yes then?
Well, yeah.
Okay, sounds good, buddy. I think so. Go check.